In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Slides template. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable presentation file that keeps your fonts, colors, logos, and layouts consistent every time you build a deck. Start by opening Google Slides. You can begin with a blank presentation if you want a fresh canvas, or open an existing presentation that already has elements you like. Either approach works because we're about to centralize the design so it applies across every slide. Next, open Theme Builder. Go to the top menu, click View, and choose Theme Builder. This is where the magic happens. Theme Builder, formerly called Master Slides, lets you set visual rules once so they carry through your entire presentation. Anything you place or style here will cascade down to the slides that use those layouts, which means fewer edits and a more professional, consistent look. Now, customize your template. On the main master slide, set your default fonts and colors so titles, subtitles, and body text are uniform. Use the theme color palette rather than manual color picks to keep things consistent. Add backgrounds or a subtle image if needed, but keep readability front and center. Replace ad hoc text boxes with true placeholders for titles, body text, images, or numbers. Then refine common slide types. Craft a strong title slide, a clear agenda slide, a flexible content slide, a standout quote slide, and a simple thank you slide. Keep margins generous, align elements carefully, and make sure the reading order is obvious. Bring in your branding thoughtfully. Insert a company logo on the master or specific layouts so it appears in the same spot on every slide. Define brand colors in the theme settings and choose legible fonts from Google Fonts. If you use a footer or slide numbers, add them in Theme Builder so they're automatic. Prioritize simplicity, consistent spacing, and large, readable text with strong color contrast. Create custom layouts for recurring needs. In Theme Builder, click the plus icon for a new layout, design the slide, and rename it for clarity. Titles like title page, section break, key message, timeline, or data slide make it easy to find the right structure later. When building a deck, apply them from the slide menu using Apply Layout. Finally, save it as a reusable template. Click File, make a copy, give it a clear name like Presentation Template, and store it in a dedicated templates folder in Google Drive. For each new project, make a copy of this file so your original stays clean and ready to reuse.